Engine 6, rescue extrication, 23 Avenue South, South Judkins.
Engine 6, 23 Avenue South, South Judkins Street.
It's a reported one vehicle into a tree at a rate of speed. Driver still in the vehicle. SPD is responding.
Dispatch, Engine 6 is at one vehicle with one patient inside. This is a red patient. Engine 6 will be Judkins command. The rescue song is in effect.
Okay, Engine 6, one patient, one red patient inside the vehicle. Judkins command.
Engine 30, we need your crew over here so that we can start CPR. Dispatch from Judkins command, we've extricated the patient due to leaking fuel. There are no more shot victims. We have ongoing CPR.
Okay, Judkins command, extricated the vehicle, 1650 hours due to leaking fuel, ongoing CPR. When you get a chance, let me know.
Let's do a 2-1 and 1.
Okay, Judkins command, 2-1 and 1. All units responding to
that location, assuming Judkins command.
Okay, Battalion 5, Judkins command. All units responding to 23 Avenue South, South Judkins, code green, with the exception of Engine 6, Engine 30, Battalion 5, Ladder 10, and Medic 28.